How's the taste?
Hey guys, it's me, Kuya Milton, and today is all about bibingka. Wow. Bibingka is a traditional Christmas dish in the Philippines. Mostly you will see this being sold on the street near the church. Street vendors will use the palayok and uling to make the bibingka. That is the traditional way to make it. But today we're going to be making it in the oven. So to make bibingka, all you need is a mix. You can find this at any Asian store. Just go to the Filipino section. Now, did you know that bibingka has a daughter? Its name? Bibingkinitan. Just kidding. That's just a small version of a bibingka, and that's what we're going to be making today. Let's get started. First step is we're going to take 3 eggs and beat them in a bowl. One cup of water. Next, we're going to take our mix. There's 2 packs in here. Make sure to only use 1. A half cup of sugar. 4 tablespoons of melted margarine. Use a whisk to make sure you get all those lumps out. In the Philippines, it's easy to find bibingkinitan molds, but here in the US, it's a little harder. So we can use cupcake tray, and traditionally, these are wrapped with banana leaves. But we will be using cupcake molds. Really easy, and they work just the same. Now it's time to add our batter to our molds. We are finally ready to bake. We're going to take these and put these in a 450-degree oven for 10 minutes. Okay guys, it's now time to remove the bibingkinitan. Woo! Look at that! Wow, look at that, perfectly cooked. You see those nice golden brown? That's from the egg. I think it looks really, really good. Now, while it's hot, we gotta put margarine on it. Look how bouncy that is, nice, soft, oh wow. Now we're gonna take one out and put it on the plate. Really easy. Now these are usually topped with either cheese, salted egg, or shaved coconut. And that's what we're gonna use. Wow, look at that. Whoa, beautiful. Oh, wow. And there you have it. Bibingka's daughter, Bibingkinitan. Now, it doesn't really matter the look. What matters is, how's the taste? All right, let's try. Here we go. Oh my gosh. One thing I noticed right away is how squishy that is. All right, let's cut this. Ooh, look at this. Let's take a look on the inside. Wow, so eggy. Look at how squishy that is, like a sponge cake. Let's try. Wow, that's really good. That's actually really good. You'll be really surprised. It does taste really good. Look at that. Nice, soft in the middle. Still a little moist. Want to add some more of that shredded coconut? Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. I really like the texture. Light, fluffy. I feel like you need a bunch of this. A nice color too, even though we didn't have the toaster. Okay, here we go. Mariane, guess what? I went to the Philippines and got you a special snack.
What do you mean? I'm the one who's been recording you.
Huh? Anyway, go! Everyone is requesting that you try some of this beautiful bibingka. Do you like bibingka?
Mm-hmm. It's one of my favorite Christmas, street food.
Oh yeah.
Wow. It's really soft.
Yeah, right?
Look at that.
Yes.
Wow.
How does it compare to the one in the Philippines?
It tastes kind of the same.
Really? It does taste the
I
same.
taste Christmas in the Philippines. You know the texture? It's really the same as the bibingka that been cooking palayokan ulit. Wow, I finished the whole cupcake now. I really realized it's really good.
Okay guys, that's it for this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below for whatever recipes you'd like to see me do next. I really enjoyed this recipe. I bet you will too, especially during the Christmas season. It's a wonderful, traditional Filipino food that's really easy to make, and I guarantee you'll love it. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye! How's the taste?
And if you're wondering if the cupcake paper sticks, check it out.
Look at that. Perfect.
You're old.
I see this pig just sitting there, and I'm like,
You're
no,
old.
oh no.
Oh no.
Dito sa Pilipinas,
You're old.
kapag
You're
nakita
old.
ng may bisita, hindi nagustuhan
You're
yung
old.
inihanda namin. Iba siguro may
Surprise.
I think I have a good choice.
Bruh.